How are y'all doing today? My name is Josh. I'm here with Federal Brace, and I am going to show you one of our newest brackets. It comes along with our beautiful live edge maple shelf. If this looks familiar to you, this is a great shelf. It comes unfinished, and it's sized in 30 and 24 inches, and it also comes with these beautiful shelf brackets. They're powder coated black. They have a gusset, strong carrying capacity of about 100 pounds per bracket. They have holes not only on the bottom flange, as you can see here, but also on the top flange, so you can secure it into your shelf. And the difference between the two, you have the modern metal bracket, which is more of a square format, and then you have a radial metal shelf bracket, which has that little curve at the bottom. Secure it not only into the wall or into the stud, you can also, spread it out. So maybe put a backer board behind the wall, or if your studs are off center, not exactly 16 inches, you can match it up really anywhere along the wall that you like, as long as you find the stud. And in addition to that, we also have a couple of black screws that will come in a total kit. So all you really have to do is just stain your shelf whatever color that you like, make it pop in your living room, in your dining room, wherever it may be. Oh, and by the way, our friends at Trails End Construction, they have a great video of how to properly stain your shelf. So if you go ahead and click the link below, you can find that there. Thank you so much for watching. For more product information and made in the US innovation, go ahead and visit us at federalbrace.com, and we'll see you next time. And it makes your living room pop. It makes your dining room a little bit more jazzy. So yeah, check it out. Jazzy.
I don't know if I'll keep that.